All right. Hope everybody's having a great day. What we're going to do is go over how to add pictures to any project. So what we're going to do is we'll go right into these current projects here. And that will bring up all your current projects that you currently have going on. As you can see down here, let's go into this project 01, John Smith. And once you're in here, see this little icon, it's a little edit button. You can click right on that and you can drop and drag, or you can pull directly up from your system here. So I can just add these right on in here. Let's add a few in. So I got a few in. We can add a description. Set this as the featured item. It's as easy as that. So just type in laptop. We can type in logo. This is a post. And then I just update that project. And you can see you have the picture there. You also then have the other pictures. Now, when you go into project details, same buttons right there. You can add pictures in from right there as well. And like I said, you can drag and drop. You can take them. If you were on your phone, you could take them directly from here and automatically load them in there as you take the picture instead of having to upload them and save them to your phone. So a couple of different ways there to be able to do that. But that right there is how you load pictures into your projects on BuilderComs.